Now let's explore on how to use a theme widget of a classic add-ons plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And click here to choose the preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widget and search for the theme widget. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left side, you can see extra class. Here you can enter your class for customizing this widget. And the next option is query, and here you can enter the number of posts you want to show. And the next one is author. Choose your preferred author here, and here you can select your preferred post you want to show. And the next one is exclude post. Here you have to select the post you don't want to display. And this is the order by. Choose your preferred order here, like post ID, post author, title, date, and etc. Let's choose order by post author. And the next option is order. You can choose from ascending or descending. Let's choose ascending. Or the next part is layouts. Here you can choose the preferred alignment. The next one is expert length. Here you can enter the description length. The next one is post layout. You can choose from default, classic, modern, classic, pro, or list. And the next one is post to column. Choose your preferred columns here. And this is the read more text. You can enter your text in this field. The next one is post to masonry. You can enable or disable it. The next option is post to variation. You can choose from light or dark. And these are the post items. Here you can enable all the needed items to the enabled area by drag and drop. Also, you can disable unwanted items to the disabled area. Also, you can change this position of these items easily. The next option is post overlay items option. Here you can enable or disable it and enable the needed post overlay items here. And the next option is post to top meta. Here you can enable preferred item to left or right. The next option is post to bottom meta. Here you can enable your preferred items. And the next part is title. Here you can choose your preferred title tag. And the next part is image. Here you can choose a preferred image resolution from these options. The next option is slide. Here you can enable or disable it. And this is the slide items. Here you can enter the number of slides you want to show on the desktop. And this is the items on the tab. Here you can enter the number of slides you want to show on the tab. And this is the mobile. Here you can choose number of items you want to show on the mobile. And here you can disable all this autoplay, loop, item center, navigation, and pagination. The next option is items margin. Here you can enter your preferred value with pixels for the between space of slides. And this is the items duration. Here you can enter your preferred value. And this is the item smart speed. Here you can adjust the speed of the slide. And the next one is item slide by. Here you can enter the value that how many items move at once when you scroll. And the next part is link. Here you can enable or disable toggle blank and no follow for all the image, title, and read more links. And the next option is social links. Here you can change the icons type like squared, rounded, or circled. Let's choose circled. And the next one is icons for. You can choose the color of the 4 color. And the next option is social icons for hover color. Choose your preferred color here. And the next one is social icons background color. Choose your preferred color. And this is the social icons background hover color. Choose your preferred color here. Let's moving on to the style. And here you can change the color, background color, and box shadow of this post grid. in the normal and overview too. And this is the padding. Here you can enter inner space value for this postscript. And the next part is title. Here you can change title transform like capitalized, uppercase and lowercase. And the next option is color. Here you can change title color in the normal view. Also you can change it in the overview. And this is the scale. And here you can change the size of the title. And the next option is margin. Here you can enter preferred outer space value for the title. Let's give 20 pixels. And the next one is padding. Here you can enter preferred inner space value for the title. Let's remove the padding top value. And the next option is spacing. Here you can adjust the bottom space value of the title. The next option is typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the title. The next part is link. Here you can change color of the default post links in the normal and overview. And the next one is top meta links. Here you can change color of the top meta links. Also you can change it in the overview too. And here you can change color of the bottom meta links in the normal and overview. And here you can change the color of the overlay links in the normal and overview. And the next part is image. Here you can choose the image style like square, rounded or circled. Let's choose rounded image. And this is the resize option. Here you can enable or disable it. Here you can adjust the size of the image. The next option is image spacing. Here you can adjust the bottom space of the image. And the next one is background color. Here you can choose a preferred color for the image background. The next option is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for the images. And the next one is margin. Here you can enter outer space value of the image. And this is the border type. Here you can choose your preferred border. Let's choose solid. And here you can change the border width. And this is for border color. Choose a preferred border color here. The next part is read more button. And here you can change the text shadow of the button. And the next option is transform. Here you can choose the text to transform like capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And this is the text color of the button. Choose your preferred color here. Also you can change the background color of the button here. Also you can change it in the overview too. Here you can choose the button border. Also you can change the border radius of the button. And this is for box shadow. Here you can enable it. And you can adjust the box shadow style. And the next option is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for the button. And this is the typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the button text. The next part is meta. Here you can change the typography of the top meta. Also you can adjust the bottom space of the top meta. The next option is bottom meta. Here you can change the typography and font family, font style of the bottom meta. Also you can adjust the bottom space of the bottom meta. The next part is content. Here you can change the content color. And here you can change the font family and font style of the content. Also you can adjust the content bottom space. Also you can change this for in the overview too. The next part is overlay. Here you can change the overlay font family and font style here. And this is the inner space value for the overlay. Enter your preferred value here. And this is the position top. Here you can adjust the top position of the overlay. This is the position left. Here you can adjust the left space of the overlay. And this is the background color. You can choose background color for the overlay. Finally, update it. Let's check it in the output.